Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. This is video number 5 on simultaneous equation. And I have written extension here because it is considered as little advanced. If you look at the equations, they are in the decimal form. So how to solve these type of equations? So let me explain number 1 and 2 I will explain halfway and then you will attempt it, right? Okay. So now if I see question number 1, everywhere after decimal there is only one digit. You notice 0.3, 0.2, 0.7, 0.3, 1.6, 0.1. So after decimal there is only one digit. In that case what I will do, I will multiply both the equations by 10 because I want to get rid of decimals. So I will multiply both the equations by 10. So what it will become? 3x plus 7y equals to 1. You know when you multiply by 10, decimal jumps right. And that's why it will vanish from here. It will be 2x minus 3y equals to 16. So I will call this as equation 1 and equation 2. And I think after that it will become very simple. I would like to take here elimination method. It would be easy. So before I start it, let's see question number 2 halfway. In this equation, it is 2x, no decimal, 0.5y. So after decimal, there is one digit, 6, no decimal, 3x, no decimal, 0.25. Now after decimal, there are two digits, right? So we have to finish decimal. So what will I do? I will multiply. Now one thing is here very important. It is not necessary that you multiply both the equation by the same number, right? So what I will do, I will multiply equation 2 by 100. Why? Because I want to finish decimal. So I'll multiply this by 100 and I will multiply this by 10. So it will become what? 20x plus 5y equals to 60, and this one will become 300x minus 25y is equals to 500. Okay, so I want to finish decimal and after that I will see what I will do. So let's come back to question 1 first. Okay, so now I said in question 1, for example, I want to eliminate x. So I will try to make the coefficient of x same. So what is the technique we have studied in the previous videos? Yes, you are absolutely right. We will multiply equation 1 by the coefficient 2 and equation 2 by 3. Why? Because when I will multiply this whole equation by 2, I will get 6 here. And when I will multiply this whole equation by 3, I will get 6 here. So I'm trying to make the coefficient of x same. So it will become 6x plus, and you know this whole equation will multiply by 2. Okay, so 14y is equals to 2. Usually students forget to multiply these numbers which are written here, so please don't forget them. And then it will be 6x minus 9y is equals to 16 3s are 48. Okay, now we have studied last time, we remember, if signs are same, they both are plus now. If signs are same, then we do what? Subtract. Okay, remember this thing. If signs are same, we subtract. If signs are opposite, then we add. This is one way to remember. So now because signs are same and I have to eliminate x, so I will subtract and all the signs of the second equation will change. So this will cancel out because it is plus minus 6x, and this will become 14 plus 9 is what? 23y, right? So it will become 23y. 2 minus 48 will be minus 46. So y is equals to minus 46 divided by 23, which is equals to minus 2. Now you got the value of y. You can plug in either in equation 1 or in equation 2. to get the value of x. So let me substitute in equation 1 and always give a reference of the equation which you are using here. So now I'm substituting the value of y in place of y. You see, there is 7y. So in place of y I'm writing, oh, I should have written 2, sorry, minus 2. Okay, so it will become oh, one more mistake. You must be thinking, why did I write 2 here? It is actually 1 here in the question. You see, here it is 1. So it is 3x is equals to 1 plus 14, which is 3x equals to 15. So x is equals to 15 divided by 3, 5. So I got my point of intersection when we solve two equations simultaneously. And what is the meaning of this point? That these two lines on graph, if you will plot it, they're intersecting at that point, right? This is the meaning of it. So now you will continue solving this second question, and I will tell you the answer of it. So one more hint I will give you here. After doing this, I will see if I can simplify the equation, if I can take anything common out and simplify it, right? So what do I see here? From this equation, which is 20x plus 5y is equals to 60, if I divide it, if I divide it by 5, it will get, I will get a smaller number, right? So I would like to divide this whole by 5. It will become 5 4s are 20 plus 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 12. So this equation, which is equation 1 and equation 2, I will simplify it, right? And this whole equation I can divide by 25. So 300 divided by 25 is what? 12x minus y. 500 divided by 25 is what? 20. Right. So now I have this equation and what? I have same coefficient of variable y. Can you see it is 1 and 1 here? So I don't need to do anything. Coefficient is already same and signs are opposite. So I will add the equations. When signs are opposite, we add the equations, right? So when I will add the equations, this is I'm writing just to explain it to you. So when I will add the equation, this will cancel out and I will have here 16x is equals to 32, right? And what is 32 divided by 16? So x is equals to 32 divided by 16 is equals to 2. And now you have to get the value of y. So you can plug in any equation, 1, 2, 3, 4. I would like to take equation 3 and I will plug in the value of x in it. Okay, this is my equation 3. Y is equals to 12 minus 8, which is 4. So I got the point of intersection, which is 2, 4. So I hope you understood how to handle the questions which have decimal. So if you have any query, you can write in the comment. Thank you very much. Please press like and subscribe button and take care. Allah Hafiz.